Investors shrugged their shoulders at the Fed's slightly more hawkish outlook on future rate hikes this week after positive news from the ECB and great macroeconomic data in the U.S. underscored the strength of the global economy. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq index continues to sit near all-time highs, suggesting tech stocks are once again helping push markets upward. A great first-quarter earnings season for the sector was met with lukewarm reactions, but volatility has eased and tech companies are all the rage once again.
We are now in a quiet stretch for earnings reports, but investors can still use the Zacks earnings calendar to prepare for important dates from companies with abnormal fiscal periods. The calendar includes earnings, dividend announcements, and other important financial releases, making it the perfect one-stop shop to properly prepare for the market events that will have an impact on your own portfolio.
Using the earnings calendar, we looked ahead to next week and selected the top reports from the technology sector to watch. Make sure to keep an eye on these companies as they prepare to report during the week of June 18th. Cloud computing giant Oracle is scheduled to release its latest quarterly earnings report after the market closes on June 19. Oracle shares have slumped in recent days as analysts have soured on the company, with many pointing to its struggle to maintain market share against Amazon AMZN and Microsoft MSFT. ORCL is currently holding a Zacks rank number 4, sell. According to our Zacks consensus estimates, analysts expect Oracle to report adjusted earnings of 94 cents per share and revenue of $11.20 billion. These results would represent year-over-year growth of 5.6% and 2.3%, respectively. Oracle may be struggling right now, but investors will still be interested in what its report reveals about the state of the cloud computing industry.
Trendy memory chip maker Micron is slated to announce its most recent quarterly financial results after the closing bell on June 20. Micron has emerged as one of Wall Street's most popular growth stocks over the past year or so, and investors will be hoping the Zacks rank number 1, strong buy, can add to its 45% year-to-date gains with another solid report.
Our latest Zacks consensus estimates are calling for adjusted earnings of $3.14 per share and revenue of $7.70 billion, which would mark year-over-year growth of 93.8% and 38.3%, respectively. Investors should note that Micron tends to fluctuate based on forward-looking guidance, especially with the stock trading near 5-year highs.
Open-source software pioneer Red Hat is expected to release its latest quarterly earnings figures shortly after U.S. markets close on June 21. Shares of Red Hat have already added about 45% so far this year, and the stock is holding a Zacks rank number 3, hold, as we approach its report date.
Red Hat is projected to report adjusted earnings of 68 cents per share and revenue of $807.3 million. According to our most recent Zacks consensus estimates. These figures would represent year-over-year growth of 21.4% and 19.3%, respectively.
Zacks CVP Kevin Matters believes this familiar stock has only just begun its climb to become one of the greatest investments of all time. It's a once-in-a-generation opportunity to invest in pure genius.
Want the latest recommendations from Zacks Investment Research? Today, you can download 7 best stocks for the next 30 days. Click to get this free report.
Amazon.com Incorporated, AMZN, Free Stock Analysis Report.
Red Hat Incorporated, RHT, Free Stock Analysis Report.
Microsoft Corporation, MSFT, Free Stock Analysis Report.
Oracle Corporation, ORCL, Free Stock Analysis Report.
Micron Technology Incorporated, MU, Free Stock Analysis Report.